Okay, so this is my Module 12 activity. So the issues with this slide, first of all, is you can barely read it. The colors do not go together at all, so it makes it very difficult to see. The words are in cursive and two different types of cursive, which makes it hard on the eyes. It's actually giving me a headache as I'm reading it. There's just a paragraph, which is be something I would be needing to say, not everyone reading. The next slide is a very blurry picture. To have a picture on a slide, it needs to be clear and not take up the whole slide, and especially being so unclear, you have no idea what it is, so it's very pointless. And then the last of the messed up slides is although the background is okay with the font as well as the text in color, the highlighting of the title, which is way too long, isn't working, and then there's too many words in each of my points. There's only needs to be 6, and on the first point I have 2 sentences. And then also the picture, it's just a screenshot and not an actual picture, which is not very professional, as well as the fact that there is a graph that you can't really read because how small it is, because it's sharing a page with other things. On my revised, I used a light gray with a navy blue. I made sure the title was short, sweet, and I made sure I did the 6x6 rule. For my edit of my picture page, I made sure to add pictures that were clear. One of them shows during the day, one of them shows at night, and then they both have where I got them. And then on my last one, I took off the picture of the map, and then I made it to where it was also by the 6x6 rule.